and I create my own things. Showtime, reversal zone is in on oil. How did we know? Because price told us where to take profits off the table and where to short from. More time I spend with price, more fascinated I am. How can't you see how simple and pure price really is? Exact same rule I used on oil to short oil from 106 is exact same rule I use on this trade. Clear? So here is the reversal zone. Don't be surprised if oil will find buyers at that level. And I warned you what's happening on S&P. Correct? Expect selling pressure. Alpha Wave Trader method is a proprietary method I developed. You trail at 50-20. You trail at 50-20. Reversal zone had not been broken yet. If reversal zone is broken, my trade migrates into larger time frame. Happy Thursday, everybody. And again, I'm only human. If I'm concentrating on oil, I'm not trading S&P. You had spectacular short trade on S&P. This is where that trade is currently. It's at decision point 2. I promise you, after this trade of oil, I will concentrate on S&P. Because if S&P selling pressure will pick up this theme, I'm extremely interested. You're short on S&P from 2050. But again, as I always say, when I trade oil, I ain't touching S&P. Is anyone surprised to see buyers from reversal zone? Of course not. That's precisely the reason why I named my Fibonacci levels reversal zone. So here we are. 40 ticks later. Life is magic if you play by the rules. If you know where reversal zone is, you know where expect reversal. You know where to take profits off the table. And S&P starts finding selling pressure. And that's the magic of the price. So let's update our results on oil, shall we? That's what we've done so far this month. This is trade number 14 on oil. 13 positive. 13 positive. 11 trades made it to reversal zone. Clear? But again, if you're a trend trader, opportunity to buy oil at 49.04 was so much better than this short. So looking to buy oil next, but I'm thrilled that S&P also reminding you on hourly. Don't ever buy at reversal zone. So it would be marvelous if selling pressure will continue. If you know the method, you also know the short is not far off from reversal zone. And we would love to see selling pressure continue. And we completely expected that. Not surprised, major pause at this level. Reversal zone is in, sellers are stepping in. Not surprising. Each and every time. And precision, your knowledge remains the key. Oil found selling pressure at reversal zone as expected. We still remain stuck at very crucial level. The trade again ended at reversal zone. The importance of decision point 2. Respected on monthly, respected on hourly, and respected on our trade. It's that simple. S&P loves decision point 2. That does not apply to DEX. It does not apply to gold. Our traders who trade gold go for reversal levels only. Michael, who trades DEX, goes for reversal zone. It's not happening on S&P. Decision point 2, painless trading. Remember the danger of S&P in reversal zone? That was the exact same thing on Euro, where Euro collapsed from. And pay attention to the levels. Euro respected the end of the minor trend that we've been watching on oil entire morning to the upside for 8 weeks. First time Euro came to reversal zone, it collapsed and found buyers at decision point 1. Collapsed again, and finally picked up the steam. I left on vacation and I highlighted 3400 next. Euro danced at this level for months and a half. And where is Euro now? And that's the magic of the price. No indicator on the planet will tell you that. So when Euro will come to 1000, you witness the exact same thing as you had been witnessing on oil. It will be the end of the minor trend, exact same level where we've been buying oil from 50. This level is broken, Euro is heading to 81. If you know the rules, you'll be able to identify if Euro is ending here. At 1, Euro will be even 1-to-1 to dollar. And the rules will tell you if it's time to get out or continue shorting Euro. More than likely, based on what price tells me right now, Euro will collapse to drastically lower levels, 81 and all the way to 61 and 48. And that's a magic to my ears. Clear? Let me show you the pound dollar. The pound dollar, we're still in a trade on S&P. I'm showing you the fight at decision point 2 as expected. And again, all the levels been spelled out by Euro since 2012. Your short opportunity came in 2014. Run. I have students who come to me who have Fibonacci background and they're 100% accurate after one class. 8 weeks is an overkill, absolute overkill. Unless you're making zero effort, 90% of the students learn everything in 4 weeks. I allow 8 weeks in group education in case you take vacation, in case you take illness, time off. In private mentoring, it's 12 weeks. I log in into your computer, I work with your needs and your instrument. It's 12 weeks, we meet one-on-one in addition to all the group sessions. It's all spelled out on the website under Learn. You can also watch the video about the course. And the biggest panic attack students have subscribing, what happens after graduation. As I mentioned, some of the students remain in Alpha Wave Traders Club just to come to Friday classes. Fibonacci class I teach on Friday is the favorite one of all. If you remain a day trader, you have access to everything except Monday beginner class and manual. We start from scratch on Monday, Fibonacci class tomorrow. Are you clear on the danger of buying S&P at reversal zone? How did we know? Here is the problem, 20, 50, 50. And here we are, 3 points later. Even if you took late entry, move your stop to break even, would you? Clear? And that's the magic of the price. I promise you, it never gets old. Ever. Ever, ever. Don't forget where S&P monthly is. Correct? That's why we've been witnessing wild rides on S&P. S&P monthly at reversal zone. No collapse here yet, just bearish corrections. But exact same thing that S&P had been doing on hourly, exact same thing will happen eventually on monthly. And that's precisely why we refuse to buy S&P this late. Wild collapse, 14 points. Worthless chop. Opportunity to buy if you know alpha wave trader rules. And here's an obstacle to the downside. I've shown you very aggressive 2 bullish trades, but I spelled out my bias is bearish. And here is my trade finally. Can S&P blast through this level? Ladies and gentlemen, we can see something quite spectacular, reminding you good things in life are worth waiting for. The same thing applies to life, especially applies to trading. The same thing you're witnessing on S&P, where S&P stuck and we completely expected this bullish pullback, is where collapse on oil monthly is currently identical. If oil blasting through this level, our key level 42.40. If oil is not staging bullish rally there, it's heading to 28 and all the way down to 9. But this is huge. Biggest month on oil since collapse from 106. Is this gonna end up being bullish correction, or are we witnessing bullish reversal? You will know that if you apply alpha wave trader rules. So far on monthly chart, it's only a correction. No reversals yet. And speaking of the devil, as I mentioned, this was the end of the minor trend on oil yesterday. Very bearish news, and oil rallied 80 ticks. That's why I've been saying forever, do not ever short into end of minor trend. Way too late to short. Short based on alpha wave trader method from 50 to 50. Not at this crucial support. I also said if this level will be broken, that's where oil heading next to. And that's where reversal came from. Oil continue repeating this dance on monthly, hourly. And here is S&P. We knew this would be huge level. The fight is in. 3 points later. Reminding you, know your levels and don't ever enter into them. No level in the market structure is random. Once S&P will blast through this level, the collapse will transform into hourly chart. This is day trading. We are stuck at reversal zone 15 minutes later. The fight is in. Price is trying immensely to blast through this level. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. Bearish collapse ended at reversal zone. We knew it will be massive obstacle. Hourly chart spelled out where this level will be. Ultimate destination on very short time frame. Buyers stepped in. 3 points reminded you, don't ever disrespect the reversal zone. It's a crucial target. Our target had been reached. Our patience and discipline paid off again. So let's document the results. That's our 10 trade on S&P. Previous 2 bullish trades that reached decision point 2, not going on record. 9 trades out of 10 are positive. 9 positive, 6 trades made it to reversal zone. That's why I constantly teach in the course at door decision point 2. Painless. And if you're not trading counter trend, there we go. Here's your results. And you can browse on the website going back 2 years. Last month we accomplished 42 trades, 37 positive. 35 decision point 2. No indicators used here. Only price and Fibonacci. Again, oil gave us a bit of a choppy chop. We've taken trade number 17 on oil that made it to our crucial levels, which would make it 14 trades out of 17 positive. Correct? 12 trades made it to reversal zone. That's all there is. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exit. At 54. But first things are first. 52.39. And as I warned you on S&P, this will continue. S&P continues being extremely dangerous if you buying this late. I hope it was a very powerful day, that you witnessed how crucial Fibonacci levels are and how crucial rule-based trading is. You witnessed the trades I highlighted on S&P that were very aggressive, that respected decision point too dearly, and you witnessed marvelous short finally made it to reversal zone. I highly encourage you to play by the rules. Have a marvelous weekend and look forward to seeing you in class. We start from scratch on Monday. If you sign up for the class today, you'll be in Fibonacci class tomorrow morning. You have opportunity to review manual over the weekend prior to Monday beginner class. And speaking of the devil, S&P just collapsed another 2 points. But remember, this is crucial level to the downside. Don't ever forget that. If you know where these levels are, the sky's the limit. Just play by the rules.